Hello guys, my name is Deepak Kumar Verma and you are most welcome at my YouTube channel. Until now, we created this professional portfolio website, we did some changes on it and we make our contact form working. So in this video, I will tell you how you can download the project file so that later you can upload it on your hosting. Along with that, I will also tell you how you can push the project files to your GitHub repository. So there are two methods to download the project file. First, we can download the project file using Chrome extension, and second, we can download the project file after pushing it to the GitHub repository. So let me show you the first method. First of all, open your browser and search Lovable download Chrome extension. After that, you have to click on the very first result, Lovable downloader. After that, you have to add this Chrome extension to your browser. Let me click on the add to Chrome, and after that I will click on add extension. The extension has successfully been added to your Chrome browser. Now let's move to the Lovable's dashboard here. So currently I am in the Lovable's dashboard, and in order to download the project file you have to open it first. Let me open this portfolio website. Once it's been fully loaded, you have to click on the Chrome extension. After that, it will give you an option to download the project file as a zip. So let me click on this button. Currently it is trying to fetch the details and it will bundle them in a zip file. Let me click on the save button. Great, our project file has been downloaded successfully. Later you can upload it on your hosting if you want. So in the next step, we are going to push this project code in our GitHub repository, and in order to do that, first of all, we have to visit at github.com. I have already opened it. In case if you don't have any account, then you can always click on the sign up button and create an account. I have my account here, so I will click on the sign in button. After that, I will use this option, continue with Google, to sign in. After getting logged into the GitHub profile, let's move to the Lovable and try to access your profile from here and click on settings. And after that, we have to click on this Git menu. Now it will show you two options. We have to select the first one, GitHub. Click on it. After that, you can see your GitHub account here. It has automatically detected it. Now you have to click on the connect button. Great, now your GitHub account has been successfully connected with the Lovable and it has automatically created a repository named as Deepak Kumar Verma, and it has pushed all the project code to there. Let me access my GitHub account now, and from here I will click on this little book icon. It says all repositories. Let me click on it. Now I will click on my repositories option here. Great guys, as you can see, one repository named as Deepak Kumar Verma has created here. So let me open it. Great, now we can see all the project codes here. And in order to download this project code, we can always visit here at the code button. We have to click on it. After that, we have to click on download zip. So it will bundle all the project codes in a zip file and it will automatically download it. Now you can see our project code has been downloaded successfully. Let me open it. It's here. Let me double click on it. Great guys, now you can see all the project codes are here. Let me open the GitHub again. In the next video guys, I will tell you how you can push this particular project code on Netlify and you can deploy it online. So till then, allow me to leave this conversation. I wish you to have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.